Number 17. The diagram shows the circulatory system of a fish, where in the circulatory system is the oxygen concentration lowest. So the oxygen concentration becomes the lowest when the oxygen molecules get used. Okay, if they're used by the cells for respiration, the concentration, the oxygen concentration, will become decreased. So we just have to find where respiration occurs. Of course, the oxygen will be transported from the gills to the body through the blood. Okay, and when the oxygen or oxygenated blood reaches the body, they'll be used by the body or the cells in the body, right? So Z surely will have low levels of oxygen. But if you look at X, the blood that contains less oxygen now goes to the heart, and then probably some of the oxygen that are left in the blood will be used up by the heart, and then goes to the gills to become oxygenated. So X is where the oxygen concentration will be the lowest. Y is the blood vessel that contains the most oxygen, or the highest oxygen concentration, because it just got oxygenated, and X will be the lowest. So the answer for this one is A.